Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop search for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode... Where are we at today? 445, I think? Yeah, 445. Crypto analysis. It is a weekend. Forgot the right weekend at the beginning, but you know, it is Sunday. So it is a weekend stream. That means we're just going to be covering crypto. That's it. No markets tonight. Because there's no markets moving tonight, basically. That's it. Thank you all for being here. I'm not sure who's watching, but if you're watching, please let me know if you can hear me loud and clear. And if the music is okay for your ears. Yep. On that note, I've just said I'm live everywhere, so that's cool. And we can get on with the show, man. I'll play something different here on the music. There we go. This one should be a little bit better for the stream. And there we go, man. Great stuff happening tonight. Let's move on and transition over to our charts. So check out market cap. What's happening with market cap? Money is flowing into the cryptosphere still today. A lot of dough flowing into the cryptosphere. Hey Jake, how's it going? Steve, Heart Plus, Medicart. I'm not sure, dude. Are you in need of help or medical assistance? Please let us know on the chat, because that heart with the little like white cross, I'm not sure what's that. Anyways, good evening, gents. Hey, Crypto Boomer, how's it going, man? Missed you yesterday. Thanks for being here tonight. Cheers, by the way. Man, Bitcoin all-time highs, right? Oh, dude, how about that? We closed the stream last night and Bitcoin just started pumping like crazy. But guess what? It still had bearish divergence, so we moved down, right? Market cap, again, I was looking for that bearish divergence. We see all this indecision, right? Look at that. We pumped insanely high. We pulled back down, closed with 0.18% to the upside, almost nothing. And we're pumping slightly today again, right? So, you know, we're getting this. We're still going down here, and we're still going here. So we still have bearish divergence strong. Not a lot, right? Slightly higher. Yesterday, like I said, we gained 1.27 billion. It's insane, dude. Imagine we're something that it's like 0.18% gains. 0.18% gains equates $1.27 billion. I want to have that that 0.18% of market cap, bro. That would be awesome. Hey Andrew, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. And today we're pumping 18.88 billion, right? Again, action to the upside. We still have the bearish divergence. I'm still waiting for that movement down. Bitcoin moved down, right? We called for a Bitcoin move down. It did move down after it took another small pump. Market cap, Bitcoin yesterday lost market dominance, 0.96%. Today gaining 0.40%, sitting at 70.51. Like I said, I really want to see Bitcoin start to lose a little bit of this market cap. It's usually better for the cryptosphere. Let's see where we opened, because this already opened, right? The futures. Look at this massive gap we left there, man. It's a gap from Friday. Friday we left off at 23,685, and we're opening way up here at 26,635. Right now, futures at $27,360. So this is a huge gap that we're leaving, right? We've been leaving a lot of gaps open, and just so we know, you know, I usually tend to leave some lines out. So this is probably Thursday, just to be fair, right? Yeah, 24th, Thursday. There, all right. So we're leaving this gap open here. Make it blue. That way we know it's a gap. Anyways, what's happening with Bitcoin? 27,153, man. Like I said yesterday, I was looking for this bearish divergence, right? We were pumping a lot. And we got that pull back down, right? So even when I was on the stream, I was like, wow, this is really going higher, man. We pumped back again on that divergence, and guess what? We still have it today, right? So this, I'm just tracking, right? That bearishness moved this down, but not a lot, and that's good. So low, high, right? Still less positive momentum. This is 435.01. This is 388. 389.99. And over here, we're still overbought at 78.32. And again, if we just track down onto there, still tracks. This is 78.81, and right now we're at 78.32, so slightly less. Like I said, we still have strong bearish divergence on the daily. I'm waiting for some pullback to happen, man. It's insane how high Bitcoin's going. Do I like it? Yeah, I like it. I don't mind it. We got to a high of 28,395, dude. Right? Bitcoin 28K. That's not healthy. Like, we have to get pullback. We got to get some movement down. We got to consolidate this level, man. We briefly consolidated here. We took a nice pump. We gotta consolidate this area, man, right? It's better when we go up by steps, right? That gives us areas to come back to test when we go down. I like Bitcoin. I like what it's doing. Now the question is, are we gonna get a 30K Bitcoin in a year? What do you guys think? Do you guys still think we're gonna pump throughout next week, up until Thursday, and then wake up Friday morning with a $30,000 Bitcoin for New Year's Day? Do you think we're gonna hit 30,000 before New Year's Day, or do you think we're gonna start dropping? Right? Let me know in the chat. I'm just saying that he believes easily it could be achieved, and it can, man. Right? It can. I believe it has what it takes. Now it's closer to 30K than it is to it's closer to 30K than it is to 20K, right? We're just like 3K away, so no problem. So we need to create like a new area of support, right? We know there's some support down here on the shorter time scales, the 4 hour and the 1 hour. We'll figure it out. Andrew says 100,000 in 3 to 6 months. I'm not sure we're gonna go that high, man. I do believe we can get to the 50s, the 60s, maybe, because when we extrapolated data from the daily, right, and we used the data from way back here, right, and took that percentage pump from here to here on, sorry, not here, from here to here, right, that percentage pump from here, right, from the last step up, was gonna get us to 58, maybe 60K. So that was a target that we're aiming for if the bull run was to repeat itself right now, right? Anyways, that's it for Bitcoin right now. I mean, if institutions keep on buying the way they're buying, I do believe we can see a higher price. I'm not sure if 100,000 in 36 months. We'll talk about that once we get to 50K for sure, but you know, right now I do want to see it touch 30K, man. That's gonna be epic. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Right, the 4 hour chart, right, we were live here, then we started to move down slightly, then we started like pump right as we were ending the stream, right? And look at this, dude, 2 in the morning, we hit 28K, man. That's insane. So that tracks to there, this tracks to here, and this tracks to here. So we still have that bearish divergence fraction to downside. Bought at 66.81 on the RSI. So again, we haven't created anything new. We're coming back down. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. Neutral at 66.95. And Bitcoin on the 1 hour, it created some hidden bullish divergence. I saw that afterwards because it happened today when we moved down slightly. And you'll see it right now. But that happened after we called it on the stream, right? So look, we're on the stream here. We started to pump right after I left the stream, so midnight. We started to take this pump, right? We still created this bearish divergence fraction to downside. We don't have it here against this RSI. We have it against this part of the RSI over here, I think. So from here to here, right? Maybe like I was striking from here to here. So we still have this strong bearish divergence, and that's just what ended up moving us down ultimately. Victor Miller, how's it going? Sorry I haven't been on so much. Got the kiddo this year for Christmas break. Loving the run on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's cool, man. It's cool that you're hanging out with your kid, and yeah, dude. You know, you just, like, it's not like homework. You don't have, it's not a job. You don't have to be here every day. If you guys want to be here, that's awesome. You know, like if you can't be here, that's fine also. You know. But thank you for being here, man. Thanks for letting me know that you have stuff going on in your life. That's awesome. Right, so we have this bearish divergence, actually the downside, and here is when we developed that hidden bullish, right? And this is what I was telling you, because I took a sneak peek at Bitcoin earlier today, just to see what it was doing, particularly when it was going down, because there were people already starting to scream bloody murder, we're going to go to 20K. Someone on Twitter was like, saying, people are saying Bitcoin is going to go to 20K, but a couple weeks ago, that was like what we wanted to go, right? So I'm not sure why people are scared of Bitcoin going to 20K. And you know, what I was looking at here, you know, I'm looking at this and like, there's no way we're gonna go to 20K, dude. We have some hidden divergence. We're very likely gonna take a pump at least to 20, which is precisely what we did, right? Usually, this is what I call when we have the hidden divergence. At least I retest of the 20. Which, if you guys know the stream, you come in here every night, you know this is what I'm looking for. So we took that hit, we hit the 20, and right now we're moving up higher. So now there is a chance where we can try to even come higher, 28, maybe 28,500. We might have some divergence still. But we're about to get this cross of the MACD over the signal line, right? I rarely talk about the MACD and the signal line crossing because for me that's very obvious, right? That's what the histogram is for. If you look at the histogram, when we get the cross, right, like here, the MACD over the signal line, we start to make positive momentum. When we cross, we start to make negative momentum, right? MACD under the signal line. So when we cross over, we're going to make positive momentum. At least that's what I'm expecting to see here. Again, there's really not a lot happening. High, low, positive, positive, or positive, negative, and then high to low. So just a hidden bullish, what's popping us up right now. Victor Miller, I want her to learn about it, but still have for her. She's 5. Yeah, my kid's 5 also, dude. There's no pointing. Look, dude, they probably didn't even know how to multiply yet and divide. And there's so much stuff that they need to get down before they actually start like learning all this stuff. So don't rush the kids into this, man. You know. Just wait. It's time, right? You just give them time, and you can get them into trading, or at least charts, or whatever, or into the idea of investing in something instead of saving, right? Saving, it's saving. If you don't get a good interest on your savings account, it's a fool's errand. So all you're doing is your money's losing value there. So you got to teach them how to invest and invest smartly, right? That's a financial education that no one gets in school right now. But they like. For me, it's simple, right? Why don't schools teach us how to do taxes or how to like claim taxes or claim discounts on taxes? Because they want people to be dumb, right? If you can do that yourself, you don't need accountants, right? So I mean, you need accountants for other stuff, but you don't need accountants for like your own personal claiming of taxes, right? So they should teach people in school how to claim taxes or how to file taxes, how to do tax reports, how to invest on something, right? On high school, I did take a class on investing. When I was in high school, one of my teachers had us go and we just had to hold the stocks for like however long we wanted, but we had to read the Wall Street Journal and get the stocks page on, I can't remember, it was every Friday. I had to bring it in and see how our stocks were doing, right? So yeah, that was a good exercise. Crypto, I'm targeting 31,500 in your current Bitcoin trade, which is up 75%. That's cool, man. Like I said, I'm not against it going to 30. Like I said, it probably can get to 50 at some point in time. I'm just cautious with every step. I'm still good. I'm still in a good position with Bitcoin. I'm looking to add more. I just want to make sure that we're not going to get a rejection here and move lower still, right? But right now, I believe, like I said, look, if I extend this, we're still higher than that, right? So this line support, we're leaving it behind. So it's good, right? Right now it's good for Bitcoin. So I'll play with another idea. Maybe this is support, right? There's a different support line maybe that we're creating. Make this one yellow or make this one blue. I'll explain why in a second. Look at this, right? 1 support, 2 support, 3 supports. We could be looking at this as also a kind of trend support line, right, to the upside. So we have 2 trends that are upsloping, right? This one we seem to have been getting more hits lately. 1, 2, 3. Here we just have 1, 2, 3 also, right? But they're farther back. So Bitcoin, like I said, it's in a bull trend. You don't want to counter trend trade. So you want to trade with the trend. And right now the trend is still bullish, and I've told you guys that. It's really bullish. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Now, am I worried about this? No, dude, I told you guys, I'm not worried about Bitcoin at all, yet. I was worried that we were having divergence and we're going to move down, and which we got, right? I mean, it wasn't an insane move down, but we got moved down, and that's what I was expecting. It moved down. That's it. We're done with that move. Now we're pumping. Let's hope we don't make a head and shoulders pattern here. We're within a 1.8%. I'm not saying this is going to be a shoulder, but it's starting to look like a shoulder. Maybe a head and maybe a new shoulder. I'm not sure yet. It looks too sloppy to be a head and shoulders pattern. But I'll keep on tracking. If we do sidetrack here and start to push back down, we would definitely need to draw a neckline support, sort of, and then just get a measure moving and see where we could hit on that and then moving down. Right now, I don't believe this is the move, though. And it's probably not even going to be that huge. We're talking like from 27,800 to 26,100, so like $1,900 move to the downside, which will get us to around like 24,500 maybe. So it's not a huge move down for Bitcoin, and a lot of people are still going to be good in their position, right? On that note, let me zoom out. Let me make sure I'm not missing anything else. It looks fine, Hoss. There we go. Let's go to Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum, man? Oh, Ethereum, where do we go? Where do we go? Please let me know. 671. We burst through that. Where are we rejecting? 705. You see this blue line over here? This tiny line over here? That was a target, right? That was a target, man, up here. We lost it. Up here, man, that blue little line right there that you barely see on your screen is a target for this confirmation line of the inverse head and shoulders. It took a while to get there, man. And that's why I drew the line at 705, right? And we're hitting it. We're rejecting it twice. That's fine. Ethereum, very nice. $700, man. We had hidden bullish, still pumping, right? Beautiful pump yesterday, 7.40%, still pumping 2.86% today. On that note, you know, we don't have anything else happening here yet. We are starting to create bearish divergence, but you know, strong bearish divergence. But again, this is just starting to develop, so I'm not going to put a lot of weight into it yet. The only thing I don't like is that we're creating it near a resistance. We're going from high to low, right? And also here, high to low. So there's a chance that we have strong bearish divergence on daily for potential movement to the downside at a resistance. That's it. Bought at 65.64. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. What is this? Oh, did I miss some chat? Yeah, I think I missed some chat. Steve saying that it's watching like something. I cannot take this market. It's making me drink all day. I missed that. And then Boomer just said, just watch Ethereum. Fell asleep before it got there. Or just probably sold there. Yeah. Wait, what? Steve, what? Sorry, man, I missed some chat. Let me know what you meant by all those comments that I'm seeing right now. So, what's happening with Ethereum, right? We don't have anything here. We had this bearish divergence, which it moved us down slightly against support at 629. Hit that 20 here, and we just took this massive pump. Right on. Look at that, beautiful hit. We just closed there almost. What do we close at? 705.41. I have it at 705.83, dude. Freaking fractions of a cent. And just so you know, I'm not BSing. It's a target up here. And you can watch the stream from November the 27th or the 28th, somewhere around this area. And you can see when we called this, right? So it's an old target, dude, already. It's so nice that we got there, man. And we're rejecting it spot on. We have another resistance here at 813. If we move up here, we might have something in this area of chop. I haven't gone back to look way over there. I would have to really start looking way back on Ethereum to get something around that area, which we should, because we're very likely going to try to move up now. So I have targets up here, like I said, right here. It just seems that there's some chop around this area, right? That's 705. We might have some resistance here at 734, right? I hadn't drawn this one. But again, look at this. Held support, resistance, right? That's what I'm calling that one. So we have now something new at 733 also here, right? Look at this. We worked it here. We hit it here. That's fine. That's a good one to call. I'm gonna make this one because I need to see if we have something around 764. We seem to have hit it here slightly. 764, we have a weak touch there. And that's it. I'm not sure that's going to be a strong one. And that's what I want to leave it at for now, because we already have a couple of resistance before we get to 813. So that's fairly good, I guess, for Ethereum, right? So we have new resistances to the upside. Like I said, we don't have anything happening here on the 4-hour. This is good. We pumped, we moved down, we're going back up, you know, rejecting 705, bought at 66.85. Some hidden divergence against way back here, and that's about it though, right? Like I said, not a lot happening with Ethereum. That's it, dude. Sorry, not hitting strong bearish divergence against the RSI and just going to the previous back, right? I mean, nothing else there. It's probably why we moved down. Now we're trying to recover following Bitcoin, right? And Bitcoin did the same move. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, right on. Low. Did we go lower, man? Right, so we had the bearish divergence, fraction to downside. We moved down slightly on that. We took a small bounce. Right. Created more bearish divergence at midnight. Alright, so high, higher, high. And then we're going from positive to less positive. And the high on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. So with that, we created some strong bearish divergence fraction to downside. If we look here closely, right, you're going to see that we are slightly higher here, right? So we're coming from low to higher low. So low to high. And then negative, more negative, and low to a lower point on the RSI. So we have hidden bullish divergence against MACD and the RSI, and we're taking a bump on that. Bitcoin also had some hidden divergence, but it's creating it more short term, right? Now what do we have here? We have some strong bearish divergence developing again. It'll be slight, but I'll go look from here to here. Slightly higher, right? Just ever so slightly higher, man. And we're definitely coming in lower. Also from in here, right? Anyways, that's it, dude. Bearish divergence action to downside. We're rejecting 705.83 on divergence. That's it. That's the truth. We can move down. We might go to the 20. Right? On that move, we might create a little bit more negative momentum than we had before, create more hidden bullish, maybe try to pump. And I'm really trying to determine what what Ethereum wants to do right now. I think it's going to follow Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin sort of stalls, Ethereum might run a little bit more. But Ethereum looking good, right? About 61.94. Again, bearish divergence, potential move down. Just be careful. Could also move up. I already placed targets to the upside, 733, 764, and then 813, right? So we know targets to downside as well, 671, 629, 619, right? Those are the moves. Up or down, supports and resistances. The 20 would be a very likely candidate at 678 if we were to break down. Let's go check out XRP, man. The loosest coin on the market right now. Well, one of the loosest coins in the market. Right, on the daily, there's really nothing happening still. It just keeps on losing value, man. It's like the coin that always loses. Right now, trying to hold on support at 27.911. We're already wicked below it. 27.734, sorry. Yeah, we were already wicked below it slightly. And we really want to hold on to this here. If we lose here, we're going to have immediate support at 26. 69 down at 24. 69 again. But I'm just waiting for this to really just keep on moving down, man, right? It's just going to take a while. There's a lot of support around this area. But that's just what's in store for XRP. Sold at 33.81. Again, not doing much. Someone was telling me yesterday I was not going to go lower, right? That they did not see it going lower than 29, 28 cents. We're already hitting 28, so the reason why we can be hitting lower. Right? 4-hour chart. Let's check it. Low to high, negative to positive, low to high, right? That's it. Nothing. Sold at 36.86, but that's it. Again, just flatlining, right? Below the 20. Like I said, that cross didn't get us anywhere. Right? And that positiveness is just like, meh. We're still below 200. Moving average, right? We know that. We checked that out. Crypto Boomer. XRP closed a week below 30. Yeah. We didn't look at the weekly Bitcoin closing, right? No, I skipped that. So we're going to look at weekly closing. So let's write it down for Bitcoin at least. I mean, we know we're bullish AF on Bitcoin, right? So, really not worried about that. You would have liked it above 30? Yeah, dude, I doubt it, man. I think, like I said, XRP, it's in trouble until we get some clarity happening. And there's a lot of people going on Twitter making a lot of assumptions about what's going to happen. Right now, I would say don't make assumptions, right? You don't know what's going to happen. You're not the SEC, you're not the regulators, you're not the lawyers that are going to be fighting the case. All sorts of arguments can be made for XRP or against XRP, but you shouldn't take any of them into consideration until you read everything by yourself, and then really just do what you believe might happen. Why is that? There's people that are coming online and then saying, look, Coinbase will have to delist it, but for only US citizens. Right, the problem is Coinbase only has one platform, and it operates for everyone. So if Coinbase has it on their platform, like for me in Mexico, I access Coinbase, and it's just the one platform where everyone trades, so it applies to everyone. Then Coinbase would have to do a split of their platform, create a Coinbase for US citizens, and a Coinbase for the rest of the world. And then you know what? Then delist XRP for US citizens or not make it available, and then make it available for everyone else. Other than that, it's gonna be weird. But that's it. Charles looking similar links at the recovery part. Yeah. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens, right? Anyways, XRP in the 1 hour. Low, high, negative, less negative, low there, such a hard point. Nothing there, dude. High, low, high, right? Some hidden bearish. Again, XRP is super weak right now. Really weak. Again, could it pop? It could do a pop. Will it sustain it? I'm not sure, dude. Right now, there's a lot of blood in the water, right? There's sharks that are probably buying this up because they believe it's going to pump. And it could do another pump to the 30s, 34, 35, 37 even. But I do believe it's, right now, it very likely, or most likely will go down. Boomer saying he just noted the parsec. POW? Yeah. Never heard that project before. Litecoin. What's happening with Litecoin daily? Oh, what? It did precisely what Bitcoin did. That's what I said yesterday. So we still have the bearish divergence. Action to the downside. We moved down slightly. Bought at 67.54 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, we had the bearish divergence. Yay for the bearish divergence, man. Great stuff happening here, right? Not really. It's just... It looks like a clone of Bitcoin. It's just going lower. This from the 1-hour chart. I forgot to anchor yesterday. Whoop-de-doo. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Look, bearish divergence, right? Action to the downside. Here we created a small positive. Now we could really just anchor that to here. That would just give us a straight line from here to here. Right. And we know we have a lot of bearish divergence built in here. And with that, action to downside, right? Boom, move down. Low, lower, low, negative. More negative. Low on their side to lower point. Now low, lower, negative, more negative still, low, lower. So nothing bullish. It's just gonna follow Bitcoin for Litecoin. That's the game. It's gonna follow Bitcoin. Sideways, flat, lower. Right. We can just call a medium bearish divergence on this, by the way. Right. So from here to here, and from here to here. We do have some here. It's flat line, or like almost nothing. 0.02 to negative, right? So I'm not gonna draw it. So this is gonna be like a flat yellow line. But we have that medium bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI for action to the downside. Move down to that. Nothing bullish. Like I said, below the 20 still. Let's go check out Binance. What it up with Binance? You got a 1-inch airdropped on you? No, I didn't, dude. Oh, I heard a lot of people talking about that. I'm not doing a lot of airdrops, dude. A lot of them are scams, and it just seems like sometimes you gotta give some kind of information. And I'm just like a little bit more cautious now with the airdrops, right? Because I don't want a lot of my information just floating out there. And a lot of them are scams, so sometimes they never perform or they don't give out anything. So I'm not doing airdrops right now. Anyway, strong bearish divergence developing on Binance. We did take a nice move up to the upside today. Yesterday we didn't get anything. We closed at 0. So we pumped to the upside, to the downside, and then we closed at 0. Today gaining 3%, right? Very nice. Strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Bought at 62.52 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. 1 inch is an exchange? Wow, I didn't know. I'm honestly didn't know. I'm not sure what. It's cool that they had an airdrop. I'm not sure what you had to do to get into that airdrop. I hope you do good with the coin, man. High to low, high to low, high to low, right? Not a lot here. Sure, in here there's some bearish divergence. It's just gonna be very, very tiny. Here. This is like 1366. This is 1333. Slightly less, right? So bearish divergence, correction to downside. We did move down slightly, hit that 20, taking a pop. Again at $34.63. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. That's cool. Oh damn, dude, that was easy, man. Did they require anything for the exchange? You just had to use the exchange one time before midnight. How are you talking about it, dude? I really, like, I'm not much into airdrops, so I didn't pay much attention to it. Maybe I should have. He got 1 inch. Or maybe he got 6 inches. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how many inches he got, but he got something. What? 600? You got 607 coins just for using that exchange? Is that legit? Wait, when you got out... Wait, bro. You got $2,000 from the exchange? When it came out, it was $8,400. Really? 607 coins at 14 bucks. Is that how much it came out at? That's crazy, bro. I need to start paying more attention to these weird airdrops, man. For reals. That's so crazy, man. That's insane. Nothing here on Binance, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the high, on the other side of the higher point. High, low, right? High, low. That's it. That is a lot of dough, Boomer. Damn. Kind of sad that I missed out on that one, dude. I would have easily sold everything at 14 bucks. I wouldn't have mine, dude. And I just like, sell it all, man. Sell it all, bro. It's so crazy. Anyways, let's go to ADA for Steve, and then we'll jump into PRQ. Not sure if Steve's still with us, but I think he is, or he might. ADA hidden divergence, took a pump yesterday. Indecision day, spinning top. Still managed to close above the 20. Today opening there above the 20, trying to move up. But look, yesterday we just run this range. So again, it's just flatlining. It's moving sideways. It's not doing much. That's crazy, man. It's cool. I mean, 2,000 bucks is still a good chunk of change, bro. Damn, dude, I should have. Ah, man. I should have just done something with that, man. So crazy. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. High to low, right? So an 88, and then low to high, negative, less negative, low on their side to higher point. So really not a lot happening here, just holding support at $14.99, taking a pump. And, you know, pushing back down below 20 right now, getting above the 20. And again, indecision. So I'm really not super excited for Cardano right now. Neutral at 53.15. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. They doing anything for New Year's? I doubt it, man. Bro, that was an insane airdrop. Boomer, next time, send me a message on the Discord, man, for like airdrops that you're participating in. I want to be in the loop. 62, 63. So nothing here. Just strong bearish divergence against the MACD, right? And then yeah, that's it, dude. Nothing bullish happening since. Just that strong bearish divergence moving us down. Films to drop lower in the previous low, which is fine, and then moving up, and we're still above the 20, just moving sideways. So really not a lot happening. Sitting at 15.95. That's crazy, man. I bet a lot of people got that. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Yo, yeah, dude. Boomer, I dubbed the Sir Airdrop of the State of Crypto. Now you have been blessed with the magical homework of coming in to the Discord, into the airdrop section, and publish airdrops that you're gonna be participating in. Andrew's saying, I think YouTube shadow banning you because I had a look on my YouTube page and you see if you were in live. What, sir? Really? Sire airdrop. Sir airdrops a lot. Yeah, that's gonna be Boomer now. Sir airdrops a lot. Really? Yeah, I'm gonna go check out PRQ after I just finished ADA, bro. Is that legit, Andrew? I'm not sure. If I look at myself, I'm just gonna show up. I know, because I'm gonna be looking at myself. But sorry, guys. I'm trying to check out what's going on here. He likes big drops and he cannot lie. Yeah, I know. Steve, I didn't get notification from YouTube either, but see you live on your page. Yeah, I didn't get a YouTube alert. You're not showing on your subscriptions that I'm live. That's weird. That's awkward. Thanks for letting me know. That's why I put it on the Discord and on Twitter, right? So in case it doesn't show up on YouTube. I know a lot of people are struggling with YouTube, and it's not the first time that's happened. Sometimes YouTube is just like slow on notifications, right? Particularly if there's a lot of people that are going live. Yeah, today's stream's not showing up for some reason. That's weird, huh? Even when I look at myself, it doesn't show the live. It's just I have to like go into the actual video section. Oh, that's weird. Who knows, man? Who knows? Girth? Yeah, sure, man. We'll go get Girth. So PRQ, right? That was the first request. Then we'll do GRT. PRQ. I know we already looked at that. So I'll have to go here and write PRQ, dude. PRQ taking a massive pump. What? Yes, 42% to the upside. What is this sorcery? We had bearish divergence. We moved down. We flagged, right? And then we took a massive pump to the upside. Oh no, me no likey, because now we have strong bearish divergence. Oh no. Part of your full daily dose of breakfast cereal. Right. It doesn't have a lot of volume though, right? Look at this pump. Look at how much volume you have. You have nothing, dude. Here you had more volume on this one. But again, this is the day just starting, so Can't wait for it to do something. Still have strong bearish divergence here as well. Overbought at 71.50. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Alright, so we had this hidden bullish, right? We took that small pop, rejected. Failed to go lower in the previous low, that's fine. Short term, strong bullish divergence. In here. Right. Right, so we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Right, strong bullish, taking that nice pop, that's fine. Again, right, that consolidation happened here before we actually run again. Low to high, low, high. 70.59, 69.99, right? So, coming in slightly higher, and then slightly lower here, right? So there's some bearish divergence happening here, some strong bearish divergence. But if this pumps more, you know, we could get up slightly higher. Yeah, you know, see your volume. I know, dude. Cray, man. Right, so high, higher, right? I'm not gonna call anything on the 1 hour. It's just so choppy, dude. The only thing I can call is like this strong bullish divergence. But I don't think I can see anything else on the upper part for the bearishness. I don't think there's any bearishness, but you know, negative, less negative, and then a low on the other side to a higher point, right? So just like that. Action, strong bullish against the MACD and the RSI, action to the outside, we got it, but there's nothing short term. Overbought at 74.97, that's it, dude. That is it for this, man. PRQ taking a nice pump. We want to see some pullback happening here. Sitting at 71 cents, dude. It was at 50 cents, dude. That was a very, very nice pump. You wish RSR would do that? Yeah, you need to get out of RSR for it to pump. We already established that. So what did we did ADA? We did PRQ. Let's do GRT. Oh, what do you know? It's just right there, huh? GRT took a pump yesterday. Yeah, that's fine. The 26. So tonight, the 27, went slightly down again. Struggling with that 618. Rejected the 50%. Beautiful hit there. Rejected. That's fine. Right now we're still below that 618. So you know it's cool. We're trying to rally up again. See how we can manage this. With girth, there's nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. I doubt there's going to be a lot of information there. High, low, positive, positive, high, and there's at the lower point. Nothing here. But let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. Here's where the goodies are at, right? Right. So low, lower, right? Negative, less negative. Low on the RSI, higher point, right? So that's strong bullish emergence against the MACD and the RSI. We rejected a 20, and it looks like a 786 that we have here as well. And then we drop slightly more on that. Go from negative to positive, right? And then low to higher on the RSI. Creating strong bullish once more and really breaking through this time. Been breaking above 39.99 cents. All the way up to 50 cents, right? That's good. You know, that's a good move. It actually hit it right on the dot almost. High 49.92. We have it at around, let's zoom out and see where this is at. 50, right? 50 on the dot. So we hit it like a fraction of a cent off. Dynamic Motorsport Experience. ETA gang! Sure, man. We already looked at Ethereum. But we'll look at it again. There's some stuff that's cute already, so. No worries, we'll look at that, man. GRT, RSR, DVT, and then ETA just again. For sure, man. Anyways, what's going on here? Let's see. Low, lower, negative 69, 64, right. Low, lower, negative, less negative, right. 0.69, dudes. Right, 0.0069, and then 0064, right. Strong bullish against the MACD, nothing against the RSI. Started to move up again. Probably going to retest 43.97. And if we manage to get above, we'll be. It looks like it could be a clear shot, almost to 50 cents, right? It's not looking too bad for GRT. Neutral at 58.02. Let's go RSR. Again, if you guys have any requests, let me know in the chat. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? Also, join the Discord and the Twitter, man. They're both in the description, and it's good because if you don't get the notifications from YouTube that we're live, at least you'll see our Twitter, or at least you can see it on the Discord. So please join us there if you want to be up to date with everything market related. Right, so we had some strong bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. We took that nice movement up. We didn't have anything here. So we don't have anything here either. Let's see. 110, 10. Slightly less, man. It's slightly less, man. I told you. Low, high. High, low, right? Bearish divergence. We move down that. Look at this. Low, high. I don't think I'm even going to call this one. It's all one island here. I'm not going to be able to call this one. I want to call it hidden bullish, but just looking at it, it's not going to be there, man. This is technically all negative happening here, right? And the low to high, right? So yeah, nothing there. So we get some bearish divergence, we move down. Then we took another pop. And I think we created more divergence still. 1104, 102, 108. Right, so low to high, and then negative, less negative, right? We don't have it against the RSI, we just have it here in the short term RSI. Right here. Bearish divergence, action to downside, move down, hit that 1.6 cent area, and then we took a bounce and sitting at 1.76 cents. That's it for RSR. Let's go DVT and then let's go Ethereum, right? That's the cue. I don't think I'm missing anything. If I'm missing a project, let me know. I believe I wrote everything down, by the way. But thank you all for being here. Let's do DVT first, we said. So let's do DVT. At 2 sats, man. That's where DVT's at. Is that good? It's good, man. It hasn't fallen. I'm happy. Especially if Bitcoin pumps, I'm happy because it's paired against Bitcoin, so it's still maintaining its value. If Bitcoin pumps and this doesn't drop, it's maintaining its value against Bitcoin, meaning it's worth more by default. Let's get the RSI out here. Oh, high, negative, low, negative, low to high, right? You're not gonna call anything here because it's just choppy, dude. All looks just like the same high, and we're going flat. So let's go to the 4 hour. High, low, positive, less positive. High, low, nothing bearish, nothing bullish either. Let's go to the daily. I think the only bearish we have is a hidden bearish. It just seems to be settling right now. So high to low, and low to high, and then low to high as well, right? So on that note, that's all we have, dude. Just some hidden bearish. We move down slightly. It looks like we want to hold on to support here at around 2 sats, and then we might take another pump. Which again, it's worth a lot in this project. And the volume's not huge, but you can still get out of positions and get into positions easily, let's say. We're gonna check out Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Bearish divergence. Dude, we already pulled back down slightly from starting of the stream. Rejecting 705. What? Yes. Already talked about that. Anyways, bought at 65.30. So not a lot happening here. The 4 hour, right? We had the bearish divergence. We moved down. Held support at 671, right? We pumped back up. And then we try to get up above 705. So we held a resistance. Right now we're moving back down slightly. So we're consolidating this area. That's fine. Bought at 65.86. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence, action to downside. We're starting to move down. That's it, dude. That's what happened with Ethereum. Like I said, 20 would be a likely target at 60.99 right now. We'll just keep on tracking the 20 and see when we hit it. We might go for another pop. We might start creating negative momentum here, right? And have a little bit like hidden bullish or something before we actually run again. Where's Bitcoin at? $727,034. What's it breaking below the 20? I cannot believe that. High to low, negative, positive to negative, high to low, right? There's really nothing bullish there. And I just want to get across here, the MACD red signal line. I just hope we don't start like losing that. This cross could be interesting for another pump to happen. That's it for Bitcoin, right? Let me know if you want to look at anything else. I'm still drinking whiskey, which is very tasty. I love whiskey, dude. And I'm not sure if Bob Mo's here. I don't think I've seen him today. I still gotta come in and like fix this little thing for the tips for crypto. I gotta figure out a way to have them show here on the stream. I think I'm gonna write it manually, but I didn't get time. I didn't have time to come sit on my desktop today to actually fix things up like that. This is something I'm definitely gonna have to do here on Stream Elements. But Mo, what up, dude? Did I just like invoke you or something? Because I was talking about you. All I'm saying is that I haven't been able to have this thing show up, dude. So I gotta go mess around with the overlays, and I didn't have time today. But I know you gave me an awesome tip yesterday for Bitcoin, so thanks for that awesome tip. I gotta fix the overlay somehow to have it show. And I'm probably gonna have to fix the image also to have it show here on the right side. Or maybe even below high zonation it could fit, right? So below high zonation and above the camera, I can probably fit some text there that says like crypto donation and just fix it by hand. You've been here around for like 10 minutes. Thanks for TA. Yeah, no worries, bro. If you have any requests, let me know. Boomer, our buddy Alex was here yesterday. He was chatting with us and stuff, so he came by. You weren't here. I know you wanted to, like, ask him to your stream, but, unlucky for you, you weren't here. Sorry about that. Let's look at Seek. Look at Zcash. Alright, let me write him down, dude. You're actually falling asleep? Till I said your name? Wow. I feel like I just invoked Beetlejuice or something. Bob Mo. It's like, I'm here. Boomer, your stream's private. It's only for you. Sir, airdrops a lot. What's in your airdrop that we should be getting into, man? But Mo, got like 2 hours of sleep last night. It was a crazy run. Yeah, dude. As soon as I left, Bitcoin started to move up, dude. I wrote it in the Discord. I said 7,200, and that's all I said because I was super tired, man. So that's why you should be on the Discord. Sometimes I do say stuff there. All right. See? Oh, you can't see it now. Oh, here we go. It's here. Bitcoin, 27,200. Hey. Hopefully it's not a yellow stream. Yeah, Boomer is making like yellow snow. Where is that? Right, so let's go check out Zcash, right? That was the first one that got requested, so Zeke. Sorry. I had to like sneeze real quick, so I hope I was able to mute myself. Let's go to daily. 161, 131. So low, lower, negative, less, negative, right? Some strong bullish divergence here with Zcash. For potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, right? So we're taking that nice pop, rejecting the 618 at $69.48. Right now, sitting at $67.57. We're also rejecting the 20 twice. So not good. We really want to get above that 20. We don't have anything bearish happening here. Neutral at 49.24. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Again, bearish divergence, some bullishness here. Alright, action to the upside, took that nice pop. Rejected at 618, came down, found support at the 20, took another pop, rejected at 618 once more, and moved down. Why were we rejecting 618 also? Because we have some strong bearish divergence within the same island from here to here. Right, so we're coming from positive to less positive on the MACD, and we're going slightly higher against the price action, right? And on that rejection, we move down, hit the 20 again, or close to 20. We're trying to take a balance, but that's it. Neutral at 53.94. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low, high, positive, more positive, high to low, right on. Some strong bearish divergence against the RSI, man, for action to the downside, right? Breaking down on that. Now low, high, negative, more negative, low, and there's the lower point, right on, dude. Is this lower? No, it's higher. What is this sorcery that plays tricks in my eyes? So low to high, negative, more negative, and low, lower, right? So nice, some bullish divergence there. And I forgot to anchor everything on the 1 hour, so now I have to do that. Great stuff. I love it when I forget to anchor, man. It just makes it so much more entertaining and educational for everyone, right? Should always anchor properly. Right, so we had the hidden bullish, took that pop, created the strong bearish, and we're moving down to that. And then we have not developed anything yet. Low, high, and then higher, low. So low, higher, low, higher, low. Negative, less, negative, less, negative, low, high, higher, right? So that's it, dude. Not a lot happening since on Zcash. Let's see for Zcash, bro. I wish I could give you more info, but I don't think it's doing much right now. It looks like it wants to hold support at the 20. I'm gonna test it. We're testing it. We want to reject it. We'll see how this keeps on playing out. Let's go to Yifi. Wi-Fi, dude, Wi-Fi. Bitcoin's now definitely worth more than Wi-Fi, whatever this project was when it came out. Who did it believe it was to be worth more than the mighty Bitcoin? Now Bitcoin's showing it that this project is worth less than itself. So Bitcoin's worth more. What be happening with Wi-Fi, man? Why do I have no Wi-Fi in my house? Right on, dude. We haven't looked at this, but it looks like we have some bullish divergence. Yep, we do. Strong bullish divergence. Puny humans, strong bullish divergence will smash you. Actually, to the upside, we bumped up. Rejected the 50%, the midline, right? This would be 618, 50%, 382. So we're rejecting that. We're also rejecting the 20. So not looking too hot right now for Wi-Fi. Neutral at 46.89 on the RSI. But Mom, usually just looking for bottoms to buy more. Yeah, well, it's good, man. Now you can always add whenever you feel like it. If you're just holding it for long term, yeah, you want to get a better bang for your buck. You can always add whenever you feel like it, right? Boomer stream. It's I think he said it was gonna be called "Waiting for My Alex." I wonder if he's still gonna come through with it. I would sub to that. I would watch that. Sir airdrops a lot. That should be your stream, dude. For reals. And you can talk about airdrops. And then have a lot of people sub to you so they can follow you and see what airdrops you get into. Sir airdrops a lot, and I like free projects. I cannot lie. Something like that, man. Alright. Let's get this rolling, man. Not sure how many people are watching. Some people still here. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Now above you, I think you missed it. Boomer said that he just claimed a project. He claimed a project 1 inch that was worth, like, he got 607 coins, but it was worth $14 when it came out. That's like 8,000 and change. We already did the calculation for that. $8,498, right, when it came out. But he got out at $2,000, so he probably missed some of that. He was losing. You like free coins and he cannot lie. I know, dude. I know. Who doesn't like free coins? Look, I don't like scam. I don't like scammy airdrops, man. I really want legit airdrops, and you know, I already done a lot of airdrops. I got into some a while back with Soka, and a lot of them never paid out, man. So you know. Anyways, Wi-Fi, right? That strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, hit that 50% retrace, and rejecting that area. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Yeah, I get it, dude. Nobody knew it was coming. It was 1 inch. There was no way you could have known, right? You probably didn't feel it coming, right? The 1 inch token. That just sounds like so... Like, you can make really, really bad jokes regarding that, man. I'm glad it's not a kid's channel, because... Like, things can get really nasty. Some of these coins' names are, like, really, really weird. You want to get 1 inch? This was different. You were not holding a coin to get a coin. You were free to trade whatever you wanted. All you had to do was make a trade on the exchange. Yeah, I know, dude. There were lots of bad jokes. I know, dude. I figure I can make so many bad jokes regarding that, man. One inch is pumping right now, actually. That's cool. We'll check it out in a second. Let me finish Wi-Fi, then Ave, and then we'll do... What's the ticker for 1 inch? I'll definitely check it out if I can chart it here. I want to see what it's doing, dude. So your 1 inch is getting a chubby for 14.5% pin. Yeah, I guess 1 inch USDT. Yep. Yeah, dude, this could this could go so wrong so quick, man. I think I'm gonna stop there. Damn, the 4-hour Wi-Fi, dude. A lot of high, positive is positive. A lot of high, right? So that bearish divergence movement is down. Rejecting that 50%. Trying to hold on to that 20. Right, we're pumping above the 20, so we're really trying to hold on to that. Moving up inch by inch. Yeah. They call it the creeper, right? It's inching an inch at a time. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, underside, lower point. That's fine here. Low, lower, right. Some hidden divergence first of all, right? Let's get this show back on track. Let's not sidetrack with the like bad jokes that I have not got to make. I just gotta like stay quiet for those. Some strong bullish divergence. We took that nice pump. Rejection. Oh no, we don't have anything bearish. So we're rejecting it on the daily we did, I think. So breaking down on that. Below the 20, above the 20, below the 20, above the 20. So again, we're just consolidating. It looks like we're consolidating. Really not a lot I can see here. No high negative, less negative, low, narrow, set to hard point. Some lady tweeted today, what can 1 inch be used for? You don't want to know what was tweeted back. 1 inch was a grower, not a shower. Yeah, dude. Damn, dude, the jokes are going to get out of hand with that project, man. For a long time, dude. Anyways. Yeah. Trying to like keep it cool, man. It is super cool though. Yeah. Yeah, man. Right on. So we had the bullish divergence pop pushing back down and trying to like really sustain the 20. We just took a smaller move to the upside. $23,490. Neutral 49.81. I'm not seeing anything here though, right on the short term. So yeah, that's it, dude. Really not a lot to see here on Wi-Fi. It's just consolidating at this level. Darren, so you can use limit buys and selling it. That's cool, man. I'll check it out though. I never heard about that project, so let's check out Avid. Avid, dude, where are we at? This crazy area of yellowness that I drew as support resistance. If you remember that, I told you there's a lot of support resistance here. We've rejected the 20 a couple times, so that's fine. We had hidden divergence, right? We pumped and went back onto this area of comfort. So it's really not doing much, to be honest. Kind of wish it was doing more, but it isn't really enough. It's just sideways, right? High, low, high. High or low in the previous. Oh, there's really nothing there. Just consolidating here. Low 20. So you get $78.59. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart. Right, we had this hidden bearish. Move this down. Well, I'll just say this sideways motion, dude. Right? I'm just going to call it sideways motion, then negative, less negative, right? So medium bullish divergence, potential action to the upside against the MACD and the RSI. Well, it closed at 74.50, and here it opened at 74.41, slightly less. Strong bullish. There we go. Strong bullish against the MACD and the RSI. Took that small pump. Actually failed here slightly, and then it also moved slightly lower. .092, .063, so negative, less negative. On the RSI, we don't have it. Some strong bullish again against the MACD, and take that pump, and then, you know, just sideways motion right now. Like I said, it's really not doing a lot of stuff, right? Pumps are not super strong. It's doing okay. I forgot to anchor it on the 4 hour, so I'll just do that right now. So we have a clear, conscious, and a better chart for tomorrow, right? Units roll 50.84. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for a day. Right, so there's some bullish divergence here that's easily seen, right? Take that nice pump to the upside, push back down, taking that pump again. High, low, positive, high, there's a low point. Nothing bullish here. Just we failed to get higher, right? So we just got like a drop coming in. That's it, man. Really, there's really not a lot happening here. We could call this hidden divergence, I guess. Right from way back here, some hidden bearish. That would be the only thing I have to go on. To that drop, failed to get higher in the previous high. Thus, continuation of the hidden bearish, moving back down to the 20, or wants to retest the 20. The 20 being at $77.77. Polkastar going up with straight no volume. What's Polkastar's ticker, man? I've never heard about that project before. Today. Is that even listed here already? Binance already listing it. Binance already got its 1 inch. Right, so I'm not saying it here at 14 bucks. I'm not saying it didn't happen. I'm just not seeing it here at 14 bucks on the 25th. Highest he got, or when he came out here on Binance, it started around $2, right? So I'm not sure when you get out, Boomer. But it's crazy, bro. Let's see what we have here. That's the 1 hour, though. Let's go on the daily. Highest he shows on the daily, it's $3, dude. Spark is gonna be until like first or second half of 2020, dude. 2021. They haven't really given a date or a fixed date. And with everything that's happening with XRP, who knows what they're gonna do with that airdrop, bro? Or if that airdrop's gonna be worth a lot whenever he comes out. You know, being that it's kind of within the XRP ecosystem. It's still be free dough, but you know. Yeah, it's taking a 15% pop, dude. Not bad. $1.22 right now. Nothing on the daily. Nothing on the 4 hour. All we can do is look at the 1 hour for the 1 inch trick. That's what it's doing, dude. 0074, 0063. Right on, dude. Some bullish divergence. There's some strong bullish divergence here. Nothing against the RSI. So actually to the offset, we took a pop, hit the 20 and rejected. What? Now what are we doing? Low. Lower still. Negative to positive. And finally against the RSI. Low. To a higher low. So low to high. So finally created a strong bullish divergence, and we're starting to see this pop, but we're facing rejection at the 20, dude. Not looking super strong with that rejection at the 20, right? I mean, the pops are nice. I wouldn't have mind gotten 8% of my portfolio today, 15% in the daily, right? But you know, it's fine. It's already opened like a couple hours ago. It's already up 15%, so not too bad for a project that's new. I mean, it took a massive drop, but that's a 1 inch. That's what you get with 1 inch, right? Like, look, it's like the story of the 1 inch. You get a big deception at first, and then, you know, it starts to come around or wake up, and it starts to go something like this, you know, like, hey man, I'm the 1 inch. What are you doing there? Something like that, right? 1 inch monster with one eye. Anybody know when we get this first round of the Spark airdrop? Very little. Yeah, again, not sure, dude. Polkastar going straight. I think I was on Binance. It showed. I'm on Binance. Binance. It shows $3, dude. 350. Or no, not even 350. What was the highs it got here? 308. But it went from 20 cents to 308. That was. No, sorry, it went the opposite. It started at 308. No, it started here. It started at 229, took a massive pump, and then it just dropped back down to 20 cents. No, what is this, dude? It looks so weird because it's showing up as red, but it's not. It says it opened at 20 cents, and it closed at $2. This should be a green bar, but it's probably not even right. It's just a big deception. That's what it is right now. Anyway, I think it was in Binance. It showed $14. Yeah. Polkastar going straight up with mobile. What's Polkastar, dude? What do they do? It's just on Poloniex. Did I do ADA? Yeah, I already did ADA. I can recap it though. No worries, dude. Just give me a minute and let me do Polkastar or Polkastar or whatever this is, and I'll do ADA afterwards. The sound of ice and scotch is so nice, dude. It also smells so good. And it was weird, dude. Throughout the whole like pandemic, I like really like haven't been drinking a lot because I have not been seeing a lot of my friends. So yeah. Interesting, right? High to low. I was supposed to high to low, right? Nothing here. Positive or positive. High to low, right? Some bearish divergence here. So I haven't been really drained that much. And I actually do enjoy it. I like it, you know. I like a good whiskey on the rocks. I don't even drink that much. But, you know, when I drink, I do like to have a good scotch. So we have some strong bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, we move down low to high. Low to high. High to low, right? Some hidden bullish. And then we're taking that new pump. 32% on the daily. What is this sorcery, bro? What is the sorcery for this project? I don't have an account on Poloniex, sadly enough, so I should get an account on Poloniex. For sure, right? I should be getting a Poloniex account. What he said about the 1 inch, sorry? This is where you can use 1 inch. Yeah. Well, Polka starter, right? Taking a massive pump, dude. Bought at 61.28. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. There's a low point, nothing there. High, low, to high, right? Some bearish divergence here. I caught you, you bearish divergence. You're trying to break into my bullish zone. So it pushes back down. To buy a Polka starter, that's awesome. You can also just get it on Poloniex. So yeah. Low to high, negative less negative, low on there, set to higher point, nothing bullish. Why are we pumping? Maybe the 1 hour. Positive, positive, high there, set to higher point. Yeah, everything here is good. And we bought at 70.40. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for Polka starter. Not really seeing anything on the 1 hour, dude. So low, lower, negative, more negative, low on there, set to lower point. Everything here is good. And high, higher, positive, more positive, high on there, set to higher point. Or bought at 80.50. I'm not seeing anything here to like really call for it. It's just going parabolic, right? Obviously on the 1 hour chart. Exponential growing, and you know, I'm waiting for some pullback to maybe happen. You know, taking a massive pump today. It's good, man. You know, it's not insane, but 21.79%. It was a little bit higher when we started this. So we're like up here, somewhere around 33, 32%. It looks good. I'm not sure how strong that pump's gonna be. Look at this one over here, 48%. Look at this one, 31. This one, 33, man. This project seems to do massive wheelies of green power. You know, 51% over here. What? I'm gonna put this project on my watch list. So I can keep a closer eye on it. It looks like it does good pumps when it pumps, so I'm gonna keep an eye out for it, for sure. We got a request for ADA, so we'll check it out again. But my requested ADA. So what are we doing, dude? Not a lot. Again, rejecting, right? Top and bottom. So again, yesterday, so we had a spinning top, another spinning top, and another spinning top. That shows indecision, right? Today, looks like we want to pump above the 20. Really not seeing a lot. There's nothing bullish besides this strong bullish divergence that we had, which is getting us to pump, but we're failing to break above 17, 15 and sustain it, right? On that note, let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we had bearish divergence. We moved down to the 14.99. Again, resistance there, or yeah, held support, and then we took a pump, creating strong bearish divergence, moved down. Pumping him up to the 20, trying to hold on to it right now. That's about it, dude. There's really not a lot happening here. This might be from the 1 hour. Yeah, it's from the 1 hour. It's also from the 1 hour. But I think it might also apply here. I'm not sure if I call this one 907. Yeah, it also applies here. Right, it's just small, but you know, I wouldn't put a lot of faith on this one because here we're higher, right? High to low, high to low, high to low. I was looking at this micro move when I was looking at this. Some strong bearish divergence, move down. You know, found support at 14.99 and then taking a pump, so that's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour. This is where the magic was happening, right? Bearish divergence. Move down again. All right, taking a pump. We're trying to hold on to the 20 in the last candle. It looks like we really want to go higher, but we're failing. A lot of tightness on the Bollinger Bands. We're just failing to explode again. It just volatility has left the market. Look at how much volume we had on this candle, and it was nothing, right? And you know, it's just like really, we had a lot of volume for nothingness. High low, right? Bearish divergence moving down. Try to pump, but again, low high, negative less, negative low, and there's to our point. We're starting to get into this game where, like, you know, high, probably lower high, and then low, higher, low, and we might start to do a small triangle. You know, I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but it looks like what it could happen because we don't have anything going on here for a pattern. We have a lot of tightness happening on the Bollinger Bands. That just means we're contracting the Bollinger Bands because there's no volatility. We need volatility to come back in. On that note, anything else? Went live for about an hour and 23 minutes. The stream started late today. Bitcoin, 26,925. Oh no, Bitcoin, you're breaking the 20. Damn it, dude. Let's look at this. Clean chart. Clean chart. There we go. Right, this is something I was looking at earlier. I don't believe it doesn't look like textbook head and shoulders, but I cannot shake it out of my head right now. So I'm just gonna put it here for reference, and that way we know we talked about it. And if this shoulder does develop, I already took a measure move from here to here. It's around 1.98%. We're still within the 3 to 4%. So what would I be expecting to see here? This would be the neckline happening here. I'm just gonna go with bodies. I'm not gonna use wicks for this. I'm gonna keep it conservative for now. After that, and then, you know, we're taking a measure move from high to the body here. If we were to break this neckline, we're looking for at least 24,200. And that's what I said earlier, right? We don't have anything baddish. And again, we have this support line also, right? We could easily come down here and try to take another pump. But if we break this neckline, right? That neckline, where is this support at? Let me just get a number here on this. Let me go to the other Bitcoin chart where I was doing this craziness, right? And then draw a support line. I need to know where it's at. So 1, 2, 3. Here we don't have that beautiful touch. 1, 2, 3, right? So, dude, it could be that we drop, right? Hold on to the support line and pump. That would be awesome. Because then we don't worry about the neckline. And it fails as a head and shoulders, right? Crypto Boomer, think one final firecracker pump just under 30k for max pain on late longs and early shorts. Yes, him to clear out all those positions somewhere between 4 and 5 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. Look, I'm thinking, for some reason, Bitcoin 30k is not really far-fetched, right? It looks like a possibility by the end of the year. It would be an awesome end of the year. And we know that institutions are buying. Tomorrow's going to be Monday. We'll see what institutions are going to do. If they come in and start buying again, they're going to take this upside, right? So we know there's more Bitcoin being bought by institutions that there is available by what's being mined. That means that the people are trading, they're usually selling more likely to an institution. An institution is not going to sell it or offload it anytime soon. So that's just leaving less Bitcoin on the market to go around. And if institutions keep on buying, the price is going to keep on increasing. So right now, it would seem counterintuitive to kind of sell your Bitcoin because there's a chance an institution will be likely to buy it. And then when you try to buy it back, that institution is not going to be willing to sell. So you got to get it from another user that's willing to sell it. But who knows what price is going to be that by whenever we get there, right? So it's weird, man. When most users are sleeping, yeah. Talk about Europe, right? We could see a supply squeeze eventually, yeah. 1.6 million Bitcoin markets. OMG. Finally. Finally what? Ethereum over 705. Wasn't it already over 705 when we were live? Nope, it wasn't. We were below 706 still. Dude, Ethereum has already gone to 717 today. Yesterday. Today at 7 p.m., dude. Where we were up here, man, at 718, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. Apostolic Mind checking in from Arizona. Thank you, dude, for being here. No, it's moving up, 708. You know, we still have hours to go. Like, not hours. No, we have minutes to go. I forgot I'm on the 1 hour candle. It's been rejecting for hours. I know, it's a resistance. But it also happened to be our target zone for the head and shoulders, remember? I call that target. I'll adjust. Target for head and shoulders here, right? I called this on the 28th, and a lot of people said, "You're crazy, man. It's never going to get there." And I said, it will. It's going to take time. Also, Bitcoin hit it also, right? A while back. Bitcoin, look at this. Same target. Here, at the dotted line at 23,000 and change. And people said, "It's not going to get there. You crazy fool." And I said, no, we just wait. And then we started consolidating. And I was like, oh, maybe I'm a crazy fool. And they started pumping. I said, I'm not so crazy. And then I'm not crazy. And he got there. And it was awesome. And then I was going back to people and saying, ha ha, you know, that Nelson laugh from The Simpsons. And I was like, you stupid dumbass, you didn't hear me. I didn't actually say that. And I just didn't just say a dumb A word. Yeah, I try to keep it as curse-free as I can. But sometimes I slip my tongue. And yeah, that's it, dude. I wasn't here. Remember? Yeah. I know you wasn't here. But now you're here, and now you heard it. And because you heard it, now you cannot unhear it. We got a couple hours to go, man. A couple minutes to go here. I'm not liking this. The bearish engulfing candle is breaking us below 20. That could bring some pain for Bitcoin. And we can start making more negative momentum. I really want to get this across the MACD red signal line for us to get another pump prior to the first and getting us, like, you know, to 30K. It wouldn't be weird if we, like, drop quickly below the zero line. Do a quick cross like we did here, right? This is a 1 hour chart, by the way. Look at this. Had that drop from here, right? Almost where we're at. Took that drop below the zero line on the MACD. Had that cross and really got this going on. So something like that would very likely get us somewhere around here, the support that I'm talking about. And then we can take that pump. That would be awesome. You were playing with your 1 inch. I know. I know. Your 1 inch is so tiny. It makes the girls laugh. I can't remember what that song was. What was that song? No 1 inch man or something like that. No short D, man. I know. No short 1 inch man. Teeny 1 inch, shriveled little 1 inch man, right? Oh, nice. Your rook is moving. Which one's your rook, dude? Well, I know we're talking about many projects. Sorry, dude. This has just been crazy tonight. By the way, if you're here and you don't know what we're talking about, like, Boomer got a 1 inch drop for the token. And we've just been cracking jokes about 1 inch stuff. So that's why there's a lot of 1 inch jokes going around. Yeah. That's a song that came to mind when you were talking about your 1-inch drop. Is that the name of the project? Rook? Not here, dude. Wrapped Ethereum. Rook. Uniswap. This is the only Rook I can see. But it's dropping against Wrapped Ethereum. That means it's pumping slightly, right? So Rook against Ethereum, it's gaining. Steve saying that his S-Coins just died. Yeah, that happens with projects sometimes. I'm sorry, Steve. Sorry, one quick second, guys. Weird, someone called. It's a weird night to get a call. So, Sunday night, 11. Not sure who called. Just give me one quick second, though. I picked up and no one answers, so I'll get a call back just to make sure it's like nothing like weird, like an emergency or something. I'm back. Sorry about that. It was probably the wrong number because I called back and no one answered. So it's so crazy when that happens, man. It's just so crazy. I'm gonna go under arrest. Was the IRS? No, I don't actually have to report to the IRS, so that's funny. I doubt it. And then my house gets stormed. Like, what the fuck, man? Yeah. Crazy shit like that. I told you guys I was gonna show you something on the 24th. I forgot. I need to find the picture for that, though. Litecoin, sure, bro. By the way, this was Christmas dinner. The turkey was really cool, and you know the creme brulees were really good. Some bread rolls, and then there was mashed potatoes and other stuff that weren't on the table. But this is freaking turkey, dude. It was really well roasted, man. It was super nicely done, juicy as hell. Ah, dude, it was such a good dinner, man. I'm still eating turkey. It was like this is my wife, my two kids that are like 5 and 2, two, and it was like a almost a 20-pound turkey. So it was a lot of turkey, man. I have a lot of turkey left over. I love turkey, man. So for Christmas, I always do the biggest bird I can find, and then just eat it many times throughout the week. So it's just been eating turkey nonstop for me. So it's really good. Litecoin, sure, man. We'll look at Litecoin. So many of those scam calls. Yeah, I know. It didn't report a scam on my phone, and they usually report a spam or scams. So it just reported as a number. So I had to pick it up. I wanted to make sure it was like not an emergency or something. How do I do what, Steve? The turkey on the oven. Bitcoin drop. Ethereum holding. This could be where Ethereum starts leading. Not necessarily, right? Ethereum had a very nice day yesterday. I would say probably better than Bitcoin. So I'll go back to Litecoin, Bob. Just give me 1 second. Just gonna clear the air here. Look at Bitcoin yesterday, right? It dropped 0.7%, and look at what Ethereum did yesterday. It pumped 7%, right? They'll tell me how you do the turkey. Sure, man. Post in the Discord. Right, so that's it, dude. 706. It looks like it held. No, it didn't. It pulled back down. Oh no, the last minute pullback. It inched. It 1 inch on the way out, dude. Right. It pulled back out. It didn't make it above the 705 resistance. Right now it's trying to get above it. It might do it on this candle, so it would be good. Bitcoin again. It's pushing back, but not a lot. It did drop close below 20. It's trying to pump back up. Like I said, I hope it's not going to reject. And like I told you guys, we're very likely going to try to consolidate this area. So let's see if we can start consolidating the 26,000 before we actually move up. You stuffed your face with it. Yeah, that's good, man. I carved mine. Oh, I grabbed the knife and I carved it. Oh, it was so nice and tender and juicy, man. And it's still juicy once it's reheated, man. It's so nice, bro. It's such a good turkey. It's such a good bird. It's so lean, man, But even though it's lean, it was super juicy, man. It's such an amazing turkey. And I hate that I only get to cook it on Christmas, because the rest of the year I don't find turkey in the supermarket, so I'd probably order it from somewhere, but, you just do it once a year, and it's really good, You ended up butchering your own because it was free? That's cool. You got 15.2 kilo turkey for $32. Mine was 19.8 kilos. I know because I looked at the weight on it because I needed to calculate cooking time for it. But I also paid like $32 for it, man. That was about the price that I paid for the turkey. Was 600 and change pesos, so around $30. Yeah, sounds about right, man. I didn't spend a lot on turkey. It was like a big bird, bro. It was insane. Yeah, it was a monster of a bird. And then we'll call Steve the butcher of turkeys. The turkey butcher. Steve the turkey butcher. My Bill is a hunter friend who owns a turkey farm. So where they got the Bill butchered and then cooked it. That's awesome, dude. Oh, 32 Canadian for you? Oh, that's fine. For me, it was like 32 US. Or 33 or 34 US. Somewhere around that range. But, still not bad, dude. It was like 4 more kilos, so. Yep. I wish one of my friends has a ranch here. The one where I usually take my family on the weekends whenever we go out of town. And he has turkeys, but I haven't seen him. And we said we were going to butcher a turkey that was big enough for Christmas. I don't think he butchered it, but... it didn't. The turkey didn't actually have a name. The name of the turkey was 24th. That was the name of the turkey, 24th. Because we was going to butcher on the 24th. I don't think he butchered it, though. Because he went out of town. So that turkey was saved, and it got to live a little longer. Am I bragging about being bigger than the 1 inch? No. No, the turkey was larger, dude. It was a big bird. It wasn't like I tell my wife, go to Costco, grab the biggest bird you can find, and she was looking at like 19.4 kilos, 19.3 kilos, and then she like asked someone like, "Where's the biggest turkey that you have?" And like they just brought it out. It was like 19.8 kilos. So it was a big turkey. It was a big bird, man. I like turkey. Again, Bitcoin, trying to get above this area. Let's do Litecoin, because it got requested. I don't think we did it. So let's go to Litecoin for Bob. Litecoin for Bob. Sounds like the name of a charity. I shouldn't say Litecoin for our people, or the name of a project for our people, for a person, right? Because then it just sounds like, Litecoin for Bob. Let's all do Litecoin for Bob, man. Yeah, don't sound too good. Anyways, daily, right? We have bearish divergence. We rejected again like Bitcoin, and right now we're pulling back down. Not quite pumping a lot, but still 128, moving above that 786. It's fine. On target to hit that old 100%, $140. Bought at 67.28. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence. We moved down that, hitting the 20, trying to find support. Moving down again like Bitcoin on this candle. Low, high, negative, less negative, low there. Side to higher point. That's good. Neutral at 55.95. So really not a lot. And then let's go to the 1 hour chart. High, low. High, low, right, and then bearish divergence, right, moving down, low, lower, negative, more negative, low, and there's that lower point. So bearish divergence, right, here we're moving sideways. I think we said no, we had bearish divergence, and broke down on that, taking a pump, hitting the 20, rejecting. So not super strong to get above the 20. What could happen here? We could easily try to drop lower than this previous low, right, probably have less negative momentum and be higher on their side, have some strong bullish divergence, and then try to take a pump. That's massive D. Yeah, I hate to say it, but 1 inch just pulled back. Not really sure, but it does sound funny. Half inch. Yeah, it just shriveled a little. Let's go check out 1 inch again for for Boomer, man. Let's check out Boomer's 1 inch. Right, so you had the bullish divergence. It's not really pulling back a lot, man. Dude, come on. It just moved slightly down. It's undoing the previous candle. There's like 0.059, 0.086, slightly more negative than the previous candle. But it hit the 20 and it's rejecting it. We talked about that. So yeah, it didn't really pull back. It just, just dropped a little. It just shriveled. It got shrinkage. Yeah, it shriveled. Like an inch. Yeah, it depends on how much you're zooming through the chart. Yeah. We can make that look like an inch. Let's say, yeah, it's about an inch. Huge pullback when you're only working with an inch. Yeah. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel and you like what we do, hit the like bell and that sub. I don't know what I just sent to the channel. Probably nothingness, but here you go. Do those little things I'm going to pop up on your screen. Yay! 6 people, 6 likes. That's awesome, dude. We've had 22 playbacks so far. Oh, man. Sad news. The whiskey just died. You love that coin. You'll buy back. Yeah, 1 inch could stretch a lot if you know how to work it, right? Crypto Boomer. Just a little. You're gonna buy your coins and go away for 6 months? Don't go away for 6 months. Keep showing up to the channel, dude. You're like one of the regulars. But, don't sell the 6 month. Don't do the 6 month thing, dude. Just buy and trade, man. You don't know what's going to happen in 6 months. We might get another round of COVID. Zombie apocalypse might come in. Who knows, dude? It's been a freaking crazy year. And it's not going to start any better, right? We still have COVID next year, and we'll see what happens with that. An hour and 46 minutes live. What? Is this... What is this, dude? It's probably not mine. Just because the gun started looking at it, lol. Watch it use. It's so much slower. Yeah, dude, I bet. Alright, so that's it. That was mine. Yeah. So did you like to stretch scale your chart so you can make the candles look bigger on 1 inch? Yeah. I'm not sure how that's gonna work for you, man. Yeah, well, you know, it's the thing with stocks, dude. Unless you're doing day trading and going in and out quickly, they tend to play slower. But crypto, aren't you glad, dude? Steve, I'm not sure why you're so worried about crypto, dude. Bitcoin's been pumping like crazy. Ethereum's doing good. Like, a lot of projects are performing okay, so I'm not sure why you're stressed out. Do you believe like it's gonna crash and you just want to come back in like 6 months and say, oh, dude, I had like $1,000, now I just have like $6? like, unfortunately, crypto's one of those markets that you have to kind of sort of be on top. Otherwise, like, you know, you come back and you find nasty surprises. Like Bitcoin at $1, right? Or some crazy stuff like that. I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but you know, tend to find craziness when you come back. Plus, it's cool that you hang out with us, man. Don't leave us for 6 months. That's a bad choice. I advise you against that. That is advice. I'm advising you against leaving the channel for 6 months. Dude, I just keep picking up the glass, believing there's gonna be like it's gonna be magically refilled with that elixir of life called whiskey, and it's not. It's so sad. I'm live for an hour and 49 minutes. I think I'm going to call it a stream for tonight. It's 11:17 p.m. Thanks for laughs. Bob Mo's going to head out. That's awesome, Bob. I'm also going to head out, guys. So I'm just going to call it a stream for tonight. Sorry about the double entendre jokes, you know, whatever. It's cool. Later, Boomer, yeah. Guys, thank you for watching again. This is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Had a lot of fun tonight, you know, talking about all these projects and making fun. If you like what we do, hit that like, that button, that sub. I hope you found the content to be entertaining and educational. I hope you're having an awesome Sunday. I'll catch you tomorrow Monday for another edition of State of Crypto. Steve saying, yeah, I know, I'm just sick of spending all my money on crypto and then wake up just to see a super happy, then boo. Boom, red day. I'll sit around. Talk to you later. Yeah. Every time the stream is done, the coins start moving. Just like when I sell. Yeah, I know, dude. Whenever I leave, the markets go insane. So we'll see, dude. Let's hope we get a pump once I get off the air. Thank you guys for watching again. Like I said, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.